A cute little edible craft.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for yoyomax12.
Hello everyone, this one's super simple, super quick, but I just thought it was really cute and it'd be a fun edible craft to make with kids. To make your little planter boxes, you'll need these wafer cookies and you just assemble them into a box shape. So you'll take one of them, put some white chocolate or regular chocolate along one edge, just press it against another one, and that's the bottom of the box and one side of the box, and then you'll do the same thing with the other side. These cookies break easily, so if you get a broken one that doesn't look nice, put that on the inside because you can't see it. I just melted some white candy melts, put them in a Ziploc bag and cut the corner off. Super simple. Now for the end pieces, you'll have to cut a wafer cookie. It's not quite halfway, a little less than half for some reason. And then you're going to add a little bit of white chocolate to that and then add it to the end. When you're cutting with a serrated knife, just do it nice and slow because these things have a tendency to break apart quite easily. And then you put that end on, and then the same thing with the other end. I had to cut just a little extra piece off of this one. Didn't quite fit. And that's it. Your planter box is pretty much done. You just have to decide what you're going to put in it. So what I decided to do is to put some Nutella in the center first. And this will look like dirt as well as acting kind of as a glue for the Oreo cookie crumbs that I'm going to add on top. So a little bit of Nutella, spread it around with a spoon, and then I added some Oreo cookie crumbs. These actually come already crushed in a box at the grocery store in the baking section, but you can just crush up regular Oreos if you wanted to. And there is the dirt for the planter boxes. Now we're going to make some veggies to put inside our planter boxes. For the green part of the vegetables, I'm using these green gumdrops, and I'm just using a pair of clean kitchen scissors to slice off little slivers of gumdrop. If they get really sticky, you just add some granulated sugar to them. And I do most of this off camera for some reason, but you get the idea. And for the actual carrot, we're going to use either Starburst candies, fondant. In this case, I'm using these Tootsie Rolls that actually come in fruit flavors here. And one of these Tootsie Rolls will make 2 carrots. Now, if these are fresh, they should be fairly pliable and easy to mold. If not, you can put them in the microwave just for a couple of seconds at a time until it softens up. And then you just form it into a carrot shape. So I formed it into a carrot shape, and then at the top of the carrot, I kind of flattened it out. So it looked kind of like a little spoon or a paddle, I guess you'd say. Then I took a couple of those little green gumdrop pieces, just tucked it in there, and then you're just going to fold one side of that paddle over to the other, just to completely go around the green, and then you just play with it a little bit just to get it into the right shape so that it looks like a carrot. And then you're going to plant it in your garden. And there it goes into the box. You can put as many as you want, but I thought 3 was cute. And it just goes right in there, just like that. It doesn't stitch your fingers. Now, what I also decided to do was make this Easter themed. So where do Easter eggs come from? Well, maybe the Easter Bunny grows them. Who knows, right? So I put little candy Easter eggs, and then I added a little molded chocolate bunny right there. And I thought, well, no, I didn't like that one, so I removed it. And I made more chocolate bunnies because I have a gazillion chocolate molds in my collection. And I had some Easter ones. So I made these little white bunnies. And I just put a little bit of white chocolate on the back and just pressed and held it there just for a few seconds until the chocolate hardened and it stuck quite nicely. So it looks like you have a little Easter bunny tending a garden. And these are the little Easter bunny molds that I used. So here's some little carrots that I made. And I actually did some little radishes too, but you could do little pea plants, you could do watermelons, you could do all sorts of fun stuff. There they are all together. I think they just look really cute in a group like that. Now, I've made quite a few videos where I use candy melts and molds, and if you're curious to know how you do that and how they're done, go ahead and click on the playlist. Thanks for watching.